Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a nice and beautiful recipe which is very famous in India and which is none other than Dal Tadka. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to start with, I'm going to take half cup of tur dal, 2 tablespoons of masoor dal and 2 tablespoons of moong dal. Now I'm going to add some water to wash these lentils. Now I'm going to wash these lentils very well. I'm going to change the water 5-6 times at least to clean these lentils. You can use any kind of lentils of your choice. I've used 3 different lentils. You can use 2 or more. So after washing for 5 to 6 times, now I'm going to transfer this into a pressure cooker. A little bit of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon of ginger, and I'm going to add a little bit of half cup of water more to this. Now I'm going to pressure cook this to 4 to 5 whistles. So after giving 5 to 6 whistles and completely getting it to the room temperature, now I'm going to stir this, mix it so that I can break all the pulp and make it very smoother. So in a pan, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of dalda, which is clarified butter. It's like this because I had kept my clarified butter in the fridge, so it's shaped up in this way. Now the oil is completely heated. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now just let's roast this for a little while. So we are frying this on a very medium flame. Make sure that nothing is getting burned. At this point, when you see that everything is getting very well cooked and you get a good aroma of the garlic, ginger and the cumin seed, at that point of time, I'm going to add 1 small finely chopped onion and half a tomato finely chopped again. Here I've got finely chopped green chilies. You can use green chilies as to your choice. So we have to saute this until the onions and tomatoes are completely softened. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, which is hing. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dry coriander powder, now at this point of time I'm going to add the dal. As you see, the dal is very thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more water to this. So now I'm going to add a little bit salt. Now let's add a little bit of coriander. And let's cook this dal for another 3 to 4 minutes. So after cooking for 3 to 4 minutes now I'm going to keep this dal aside and let's prepare the tadka for this. Now for the tadka, let's take 2 tablespoons of dalda. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of garlic, of ginger, 2 red chilies, few of curry leaves, little bit of red chili powder. So friends, our dal tadka is ready now. If you like my recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.